If you're struggling to lose weight, feeling fatigued, or have joint pain on a regular basis, I have a simple olive oil trick that will change your life. This olive oil trick works to activate something called autophagy, which is the genetic switch for deep cellular healing. In fact, most people are quite deficient in autophagy and are building up trash within their cells that blocks mitochondrial energy production and stops you from burning fat and feeling good. While I'm a fan of water fasting to improve insulin resistance, blood sugar stability, reduce inflammation, and turn on fat burning, I also understand the reality that many people struggle with this sort of fasting and others will never even try it. And that's why I love this simple olive oil trick, and it really works to help you have less pain, more energy, better brain function, and better fat burning without having to labor through a water fast. But I have a major warning. Most olive oils, including the one you may have in your home, are not going to get these results and may actually be causing more problems in your body and actually lead you to not being able to burn fat effectively for fuel. And in this video, I'm going to break down what autophagy is, what compounds within olive oil activate autophagy, and how to use this simple olive oil trick to get the benefits of autophagy and improve fat burning, brain function, and reduce inflammation so you can have less pain and slow down the aging process. You see, there are three major compounds within olive oil that activate autophagy. They're polyphenols: oleoropin, oleocanthal, and hydroxytyrosol. These compounds give the bitter, peppery bite to olive oil. The stronger that peppery bite, the more polyphenols are in the olive oil. These compounds hijack your master metabolic switch. Because you see, inside every cell, you have two competing signals. One is called mTOR, or mammalian target of rapamycin. That's responsible for growth and cell reproduction. And the other is AMPK, which is responsible for cellular cleanup. You need a good balance of both. You need growth, but you also need cellular cleanup. When you're a child or a pregnant mom, you need more mTOR activation in order to grow quickly. As an adult, you want less growth and more cellular cleanup and repair to keep aging cells under control and to optimize your health. So while mTOR is still important for adults to build and maintain muscle, we want to spend less time activating mTOR and more time activating AMPK pathway for autophagy and deep cellular healing. Now, we activate mTOR when we eat, especially if we're eating lots of carbs and in particular processed carbs. We activate AMPK through intermittent or extended fasting, as well as exercise. AMPK puts a brake on mTOR and switches our metabolism into fat burning and cellular repair and healing. In our society, most adults are extremely deficient in autophagy, and they're overactivating mTOR by eating tons of processed, high-carb foods. They're not fasting, and they're not getting enough movement and exercise. This results in excess body fat, in particular, dangerous visceral fat that surrounds our organ systems, suffocates them, blocks good blood supply from getting into our organs, and drives up inflammation throughout our body. It also causes damaged proteins within the cells that cause mitochondrial dysfunction, and both of those things increase inflammation throughout our body. Now, the 5 major ways we activate autophagy are: number 1, fasting, right? That's the most powerful way to activate autophagy. Number 2 is exercise. And exercise is also a very powerful way to activate autophagy. Number 3 is getting high heat or cold exposure for short periods. That would be things like getting in an infrared sauna or getting your body temperature up at a really high temp from doing something like exercise outdoors in the heat, right? That can actually be really good for a short period of time. Also, cold exposure from like a cold shower or just being out in the cold for a short period of time or doing something like a cold plunge. That can help activate autophagy. Good sleep is really key for autophagy, right? And also just for deep cellular healing. And then number 5, and this is what we're talking about today, is polyphenols. In particular, the ones within olive oil are some of the most powerful. You see, these 3 polyphenols within olive oil activate the AMPK and turn off the mTOR pathway so we can turn up fat burning and deep cellular healing. It literally flips the switch on our metabolism and tricks our body into thinking we are fasting. You see, we start to break down damaged proteins within our cells. Those damaged proteins are what age cells, and they drive inflammation throughout our body. Now, we need to break down those proteins in order for the cells to heal and function properly. They also work to help the immune system find and eliminate zombie cells. So polyphenols strengthen the immune system, activate autophagy, and help us get rid of damaged proteins and these old damaged cells we call zombie cells. These polyphenols also activate mitophagy and mitochondrial biogenesis. This is important because our mitochondria are where we actually burn fat. So within every cell, we have mitochondria. That's where we turn on fat burning. When those mitochondria become damaged from processed food, toxins, infections, stress, it shuts down our ability to burn fat effectively. These polyphenols help to repair. They turn on repair signals so the mitochondria repair and we produce more mitochondria. The more healthy, stress-resilient mitochondria in our cells, the better we're going to be able to burn fat. Now, these polyphenols really activate that switch to repair mitochondria and turn on mitochondrial biogenesis, so we have more mitochondria in our cells to burn fat for fuel. However, there's a problem in that most olive oils are actually tainted. In fact, a 2016 Forbes report showed that 80% of olive oils on the market are tainted with seed oils. Sometimes they're even as much as 50-50, where there's 50% olive oil, 50% corn oil or sunflower or soybean oil, one of these toxic seed oils that are highly processed that drive up inflammation in the body. More than likely, if 80% of olive oils on the market are tainted, you may have one in your pantry as well. You want to make sure you get the highest quality olive oil. In particular, you want to get one that is fresh pressed, and you want to make sure that they're using the kind of olive oil that comes from unripe olives. You see, when olives are ripening, they go from green to black. Green olives are unripe olives. You don't get as much oil in the green olive, but you get tons of polyphenols. So when you press green olives, you produce less oil, right? But you also get a lot more polyphenols. When you press black olives, ripe olives, you get more oil, less polyphenols. And this is why most olive oil manufacturers, they use the black olives because it takes less olives in order to get the oil, so it's cheaper. So if you're buying a bottle for $10, $15 at the store, more than likely that's gonna be black olives. I mean, it's 100%, it's not gonna be high polyphenol. Really, you need to find a bottle that's roughly $30, $40, $50, and it needs to be in a dark container, not in a plastic container, dark glass container, because heat, light, and time are what oxidize those polyphenols. So how do we reduce heat exposure? Well, we keep it in a dark bottle, and we also obviously don't put it out in the heat, right? That also protects it from the light. So we want to protect it from heat and light, and also we want to make sure that we're consuming the olive oil ideally within 6 months, no more than a year after it's been harvested. If we can consume it within 3 to 6 months, we're going to get the highest polyphenol count. Over time, those polyphenols reduce. So with that olive oil, we want to take 1 tablespoon 2 times daily with meals. This is the secret olive oil trick. High polyphenol olive oil. Take 1 tablespoon 2 times daily with meals. So when you're eating, you're taking 1 tablespoon of that olive oil. Now, people will ask me, should I put that on food? I don't recommend it. I actually recommend just taking it on the side. Now, you can also add some more and put it on your food, and that's great. But take it on the side with your meal 2 times daily so you maximize the ability of those polyphenols to activate autophagy. Now again, going back to the idea of polyphenols, we talked about those 3 powerful ones, oleoropin, oleocanthal, and hydroxytyrosol. The average commercial olive oil is roughly 100 to 250 milligrams per kilogram of polyphenol. To get the results I'm talking about, we need an extra virgin olive oil with 500 milligrams per kilogram of polyphenols or more. So we can find olives that are picked from the unripe green olives, pressed, and then also harvested quickly and get a quick turnaround. So maybe the bottle was produced in May and you got it in June, for example. And that's gonna have the highest polyphenol count because there's been less time for it to reduce that polyphenol level. So you wanna make sure it's fresh pressed. That is really key. Again, oxygen and light are the problems. So we wanna make sure it's in a dark glass container, and that will help protect it from oxygen, from light, Okay, once you open it, now oxygen is going to start to interact with it. So if you follow the protocol and take 1 tablespoon twice a day, and then also you can use it on salads or on meats and get maybe an extra tablespoon or so on your foods, that is a great protocol for getting these amazing benefits. This literally flipping the switch on your metabolism, reducing inflammation in your body, stabilizing your blood sugar, turning on fat burning, improving brain function. You're gonna see incredible benefits, and you're gonna go through that bottle quick enough to where you're gonna maximize your ability to absorb those polyphenols by doing the protocol I talked about today. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you're looking for the olive oil that I use, I'll have a link in the show notes right under the video or in the podcast notes. So be sure to check that out. In fact, you can get a free, or you can get a $1 bottle. You can get your first bottle for $1 by checking it out. It's fresh pressed, high polyphenol, extra virgin olive oil. That's what you're looking for. So hopefully you guys got a lot out of this. Please share this video with somebody that you know and that you care about, and we'll see you in a future video training. Be blessed.